Today we're at Whinlatter Visitor Centre and we're just taking the trail up to Whinlatter Summit. We're following the green markers until we get to marker 55, then we're on the Ordnance Survey trail. Whinlatter Forest Park is mainly a mountain bike area. It's brilliant if you like mountain bikes, come to this area of the lakes. You won't be disappointed, and I think there's a lot of red squirrels around. Hence all these carvings. So we're just following the green marker up out of the visitor centre, and we'll make it up as we go along, I think, today. This area is well marked out for the actual Whinlatter Forest Park, but we have to break off it to actually get to the summit, so we rely on the Ordnance Survey maps. But we've been told to go to marker 2 and then marker 55. Well, this is lovely. So we've reached area 2. There's 3 paths. There's the first path. We've got to take the middle one, which takes us up to 55. I can see where they put benches here. It's lovely, Karen. So now we're going up through the woods to area 55. Yeah. Oh, look at this, it's lovely. Definitely gets steeper. So we're continuing up this steep section, and God, it is steep, isn't it? You get no time to get warmed up on this route. It's straight on to really steep paths. Just coming to the end of the steep woody section. Got another signpost saying going left, so we're following this track to area known as area 55. What's that, Oakley? Well, let's have a look over here. It's nice, isn't it? Nice scenic areas here. Keswick there, Derwent Water. So we're going to follow the path up. Yeah. We've continued along the gravel path from area 2. This is area 55, Whinlatter Forest. We've come to the gate where it leads you onto the fell. So we're out the forest now and we're starting onto the mountain trail. Yeah, and we go up here. So we just keep following this path up, and it's quite steep, but it's okay. So we've come off the steep section, turn left, and we're heading towards Whinlatter summit. Bit boggy underfoot, not as bad as the other day though. Getting great views now. You okay? Mm-hmm. Come on, you! Let's get through the bog. Whinlatter summit straight ahead. We're nearly on the summit, so it's not a bad Whinlatter to do. Oakley's going mad. Here he is. Come on, mate. You're enjoying this, aren't you? Where is he? Yeah. Good boy.
Good boy.
Oh, that's... So I'm thinking going round the edge.
Okay.
Or do we just see how bad it is? Let's just see how bad it is. There's always a bit of bog. Keep left, Karen, it's alright. Yeah, it's not too bad. I thought that was going to be a lot worse until the guy falling.
I'm not stopping.
No, don't blame you. Oakley's just had a swimming pool incident. Jesus. I think I got some of it. Oh. And here we have Whinlatter summit. Nothing special, but it's still a Wainwright. Bath is just over where the trees are there. Lord Seat's where we were previously. And then we're moving across to Broomfell. And then right over is Greystones. And moving along to Grisdale Pike. That looks lovely, that does. You're amazing, Oakley. On our way back down now. Oakley's just had 10 minutes of mayhem, hasn't he? He's just got absolutely loopy. I don't know where he gets his energy from. I wish I could have some of it. We get really good views of Keswick now.
Derwent.
And Derwent, yes, Derwent, isn't it?
Over there. To the left.
Yeah, Skiddaw over there. If you're looking to bag some of the lower Wainwrights, Whinlatter summit is a must. Got the visitor centre where you can park, and there's toilets, and there's a bit of a cafe there and everything. A lot of mountain bikers about, but that's what this place is about. But we've got to the summit in 55 minutes, and we haven't rushed, and we're well on the way back down now, and we've only been out an hour and 10 minutes. The views are stunning from the summit, and okay, the path's a bit boggy at the top, but I recommend it. It really is a nice walk, and you're gonna complete it in under 2 hours, and you've got all these fantastic views. So we recommend it, don't we? Keswick there, Derwent water.